My name is Cathy. So I'm a broker for a property management company. I've been doing this 20 years, so obviously we'd have a lot of repairs to do. I was walking a property for a prospective client, and there was a response crew tech there, and I got chit-chatting with him. I was very impressed. He seemed very articulate, nice uniform, took his business card, and we have been working with Response ever since. I'm going to say 2 years. They have a very efficient tech system. They get on the job, no questions. Very easy to work with. It's paramount to get a fast response, because if it's an issue, for example, a leaking water heater, we need to be able to get back to the tenant and tell them, hey, there's going to be a tech calling you within the next 15 minutes, half an hour. Very positive things. I've never had a negative comment about any response tech. The upside with Response is whether it's electrical, plumbing, handyman work, painting, whatever, they seem to have techs that can handle it. I've never had them turn down a job because they don't have a qualified tech. I absolutely would recommend Response.